What if everything you know, every star, every memory, every law of physics, could vanish in an instant? Not with a bang but with a silent, unstoppable wave of cosmic change. This isn't just science fiction. It's a real possibility, rooted in the deepest truths of our universe. The end of everything could arrive at the speed of light, erasing not just us but the very fabric of reality. The laws of chemistry and physics, the forces that bind atoms, could be rewritten in a heartbeat. This is the unsettling idea of vacuum decay, a sudden transition to a new final state of being. Our universe exists because quantum fields are in a particular state. But what if that state isn't truly stable? The Higgs boson, discovered in 2012, hints that our universe might be living on borrowed time. So let's stare into the abyss, not with fear but with curiosity, and ask, what if everything could end instantly? Let's explore the science behind the ultimate question. Look up at the night sky. Everything seems solid and permanent. We trust the laws of nature will hold, giving us comfort and stability. But modern physics suggests this might be an illusion. Our universe could be in a metastable state, like a ball resting in a dip, not at the bottom of the hill. A random jolt could send it tumbling into a more stable but utterly different reality. This challenges our basic assumptions. The universe's laws may not be the final word. If a transition to a true vacuum occurs, it would be catastrophic, the end of physics as we know it. We might be balanced on a cosmic knife's edge, our universe a fragile bubble destined to pop. It's not a reason for panic, but for awe. Our existence may be a fleeting moment of stability. The cosmos is a work in progress, and we're living in one of its temporary phases. We think of a vacuum as empty space, but physics reveals it's far from empty. The vacuum is filled with quantum fields, vibrating energies that are the true foundation of reality. Every particle is a ripple in one of these fields. The properties of these fields set the rules for our universe. Particle masses, forces, and the very nature of reality. The vacuum energy, the baseline energy of space, allows the laws of physics to operate as they do. If this energy were different, atoms, stars, and galaxies couldn't exist. But what if our vacuum isn't the lowest possible energy state? The false vacuum hypothesis suggests we're in a temporary resting place, not the true ground state. Like a frozen lake ready to crack, our universe could be waiting for a trigger to fall to its true ground state. We may be living in a state of suspended animation, more fragile than we realize. If our universe is in a false vacuum, what could go wrong? Quantum mechanics introduces quantum tunneling. Particles can spontaneously cross barriers without enough energy. Imagine a ball suddenly appearing on the other side of a hill. This is quantum tunneling. If this happened to our universe, a patch of space could collapse into the true vacuum state. This would create a bubble where the laws of physics are completely different. The event is random and could happen anywhere, anytime, no warning, no sign. The probability is tiny, but the universe is vast and old. Given enough time, even rare events become possible. The bubble would expand at the speed of light, rewriting reality as it goes. We'd never see it coming. The countdown is unknown. The universe's stability is an illusion. Change could arrive in an instant. Once a true vacuum bubble forms, it expands at the speed of light, consuming everything in its path. As the bubble sweeps through space, it instantly rewrites the quantum fields and the laws of nature. The constants of physics, speed of light, gravity, charge, would all change unpredictably. This isn't destruction, it's erasure. The very definition of matter and energy would vanish. There's no warning. The bubble wall arrives at the same moment you'd see it. One instant you exist, the next, you and everything you know are gone. The bubble would sweep through galaxies, stars, planets, even black holes, erasing all history. The universe's 13.8 billion years of evolution would be wiped clean, replaced by something alien. If this has already started somewhere, a bubble could be racing toward us right now. We'd never know, until the very last moment. This isn't just speculation, there's real evidence to consider. The discovery of the Higgs boson in 2012 let physicists calculate the stability of our universe's vacuum. The numbers suggest our universe is metastable, like a ball in a dip, not at the bottom. The energy barrier protecting us from collapse exists, but it might not be insurmountable. Why is the universe in such a delicate state? It could be coincidence or a hint of new physics. Scientists are searching for answers, but for now the data points to a universe living on borrowed time. The Higgs boson, which gives us mass, may also signal our ultimate demise. The universe's fate is written in the tiniest details of particle physics. Imagine the universe inside the true vacuum bubble, an alien reality beyond comprehension. The rules that make our world work would be gone. Matter, light, and even atoms might not exist. The new ground state might not support stable particles, or it could create bizarre new ones. Gravity and spacetime could be radically different. This new universe would be static, eternal, and perfectly stable. No more change, no more evolution. Our universe's complexity exists only because it's imperfect, not in this final state. The transition would be a fall from vibrant potential to barren perfection. We can't know what the true vacuum is like, it's beyond observation or experiment, but contemplating it reminds us how special our current universe is. The absence of our laws makes their presence miraculous. The idea of vacuum decay is terrifying, an instant, unavoidable end. But the fragility of existence can give life meaning, not despair. Knowing our universe is temporary makes every moment more precious. We are the products of a 13.8 billion-year cosmic story, living in a fleeting moment of stability. Our significance isn't diminished by impermanence, it's enhanced. We are the universe's way of knowing itself, even if briefly. The meaning of life is found in our connections, our creativity, and our love, right now. When you feel the sun's warmth or look into a loved one's eyes, remember it's all possible because of a delicate cosmic balance. The universe may be fragile, but it's beautiful, and we are here to witness it. The temporary nature of a sunset doesn't make it less beautiful, it makes it profound.